Hey guys, at the Wycombe site at the top floor flat, I thought I'll give you another update. It's been a few days since the last one. So let's just tell you what's been happening. You come on top of the stairs here, which obviously is still in progress. As you come in, this is the larger of the two bedrooms, which is currently completed with the whole of the insulation. As you can see, it's been quite a tedious process, it being a roof. You have to actually cut in the exact pieces for the insulation to go into those spaces. And at the moment, they're doing the dormer roof. So the roof is pretty much done apart from the dormer. So that's currently ongoing. And as you can see, it's a lovely large bedroom with a massive window there. Here, that's going to be the ensuite. So from that door there, that's going to be the ensuite there. And we've just decided what the layout's going to be on that one. I think there's going to be the shower there, toilet and sink on that end there. This here is going to be a corridor to the communal bathroom in the flat. And here is going to be the electric combi boiler. So currently, lots of first fix. In fact, I think the first fix electric is now complete. But let's go towards the other side of the flat because there's a lot of noise here. Just quick show of this flat, this other second bedroom here. Again, the insulation and first fix is completed here as well. And let's go and show you the rest of the flat. Right, so here, I think I mentioned earlier on, is the kitchen. And here, I think the electrics for the oven, the sink, the dishwasher, washing machine, all of that, that's all been done in terms of the first fix. And as you can see, all the insulation is also completed. So great progress being made here, guys. The windows have been ordered. That hopefully should be installed in the next sort of 2 to 3 weeks. And in this bedroom here, that's where they've started the plasterboarding. So have a quick look. So this is the living room, actually, right next to the kitchen. And here the plasterboarding has just started off, and that's currently in progress. Yeah, so guys, hope you found that useful. We do each and every week, we do different videos on site tours, property educational content. So do check us out at Manny Chopra on YouTube and Instagram. And we'd love to see you subscribe to our channel, but also come to our future events, which I will tell you about in September. But yeah, hope you enjoyed that and hope to see you soon.